Good day, engineers in the house. Welcome to another interesting video on my channel. Today I want to show you a trick about soldering iron. Engineers, I don't know if you have been encountering these soldering iron issues for some time now. They don't last. When you purchase this particular soldering iron, you use it for a little time, they just get spoiled easily. So today I want to show you a trick on how you can convert this. You can convert and make good use of your soldering iron. I'm going to show you a trick. You look at this big soldering iron here. This is a 60 watts. So what I'm going to show you will blow your mind. Now you're going to remove the tip. You loosen the screw and then you remove the tip. This is the tip. You put it down. Then you're going to get a new tip. This is for the small soldering iron. So this one is very tiny and is good for soldering, especially for charging ports, LCDs, and so on. So you can see, you put this in and then you you screw back your screw, and you can see that you have a brand new soldering iron. So thanks for watching, and I hope this will help you a lot. And please follow for more. See you again in my next video, and bye.